so now we have the 3D printed parts that I fully designed this from the original parts here. Those two black pieces on the top is the original one, and the white and the black here is my design, and that is 3D printing. Okay, so we put the battery here. Go to this side. Okay, the battery is locked, and in the other side of the top cover, this logo is made to be bigger, and the middle one is for the serial number, maybe. And then I will put this little socket here into here, click, and then I put this top cover to the bottom cover, same the lock here, and there you have it, the new piece for replicating the original piece with the bigger logo. The inner functionality are keeping the same as the same. That's it. Please subscribe and like for me to have motivation to make more interesting videos in the future.